So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-resize ng Google Keyboard sa ating Android phone. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung aking Google Keyboard. So para ma-adjust natin or ma-resize natin yung ating Google Keyboard. So, ayan guys, kung makita nyo, ito yung size ng aking Google Keyboard. So, para ma-adjust natin guys, kung gusto nyo siyang taasan or babaan, ang itatap lang natin dito is itong button na to. So, lahat naman guys ng Google Keyboard is merong ganyan. So, hanapin nyo lang yung ganong button. And then, may makikita kayo dito mga options. So, hanapin nyo lang guys yung resize. So, tap nyo lang yung resize. And dito guys, para ma-adjust, ida-drag nyo lang ito. So, ayan. Kada drag nyo, guys, is na-adjust yung size niya. Pwede nating palakihan or paliitan. So, may tatlong size, guys, yung ating Google Keyboard. So, ito yung pinakamaliit. Ito yung medium. And then, ito yung pinakamalaki. So, ayan, guys, yung maging itsura niya. And, bukod pa doon, pwede nyong i-drag. So, ayan, guys. Pwede nyo din siyang i-adjust yung position ng keyboard ninyo. So, kapag okay na guys, and adjust nyo na yung inyong keyboard sa gusto nyong size, itap nyo lang yung check button para ma-save. And, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-resize ng ating Google Keyboard sa ating Android phone. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And, thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.